start some important questions from NCERT. Okay, so first of all, please see one of the questions from NCERT. If angle P and angle Q are the acute angles such that sin B equals to sin Q, then prove that angle B equals to angle Q. Okay, so we have two acute angles. Okay, so हम लोग के पास क्या है, दो acute angle triangle है. So first of all, we can construct two acute angle triangles. Suppose here is the one of the triangle, that is the B is acute here, and here is the C is the right angle, and here is the A. Okay, one acute angle triangle. And next is this is one of the acute angle triangle. Okay, and here is the Q is the acute angle, and here is R, here is the P. Okay, so this is the two triangles. We have already given some things, sin B equals to sin Q. So solution, we have what, sin B equals to what, sin Q. Okay, so sin B equals to sin Q, and we know that the formula of sin B means opposite angle, opposite side by hypotenuse. So we can write here what, opposite side, what, opposite side, that is the AC, and hypotenuse, that is the AB. Okay, this is the value, and the value of sin Q we can write here PR. Okay, PR by PQ, that is the hypotenuse. We will take, here is the K. Okay, so we can write here, yes, we can write here AC equals to KPR, K into PR. Next thing, that is the AB equals to what, K into PQ. Okay, so now we can use it. Okay, here, so the value of AB is what, the value of AB we can write here what, value of AB you can see K into PQ square. So we can write here K into PQ square, and after that K into AB square means the value of AB, that is the, okay, so AB, yes, and here is the AB square minus AC, here is the AC. Okay, here is the AC. So in the place of AC we can write here K into PR square, K square into PR square. Okay, K square into PR square divided by root under what, PQ square minus PQ square. Here is the PQ square minus PR square. Okay, PQ square minus PR square. So PQ square minus what, PR square. So first of all we can take here K square with K common, so we can write here K into root under PQ square minus PR square divided by PQ square minus PR square. Okay, PQ square minus PR square. So I think it will be the cancel. It will be the cancel here. Here it will be the cancel. So we will get here what? We will get here K. So we can write here what? BC by QR equals to K. Okay. This is the equation number 2, and this is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. So you can see from equation 1 and 2 we can write here AC by PR. We can write here what? AC by PR equals to AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. Means all the sides are proportional. So okay, we can write here from equation 1 and 2. We can write here what? From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and equation 2. We can write here what? AC by PR equals to AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to what? K. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle what? PQR with the help of SSS similarity, and if the triangle will be similar, then we can write here angle P equals to angle Q due to what? Due to similarity. So that is the proof. Okay, so this is the questions. You should try to प्रैक्टिस इट. सबसे पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या किए देखिए, सबसे अलग अलग दो ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लिए यहाँ पे. तो उसके बाद जो है यहाँ पे क्या किया हम लोग, जो साइड दिया था उसको प्रोपोर्शनल, उसको जो हम लिए पहले क्या लिए थे यहाँ पे, इसका अगर साइड लेंगे क्या, अगर ए सी लेंगे तो इसका क्या होगा पी आर लेंगे होगा, अगर इसका ए बी होगा इसका क्या होगा क्यू ए बी होगा, इसका क्या होगा इसका पी क्यू होगा, और अगर इसका बी सी होगा इसका क्यू आर होगा. तो वी विल टेक हियर ए सी बाई पी आर. ये आपका दिया हुआ था साइन बी इक्वल टू साइन क्यू, सो इसलिए वहाँ से हम लोग इसको लिखे हुए हैं और इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लिए. देन वी कैन राइट हियर ए सी इक्वल्स टू के पी आर एंड ए बी इक्वल्स टू के पी क्यू. सो बी सी बाई क्यू आर इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ से हम लोग हाइपोटेनस का वैल्यू बैठा लिए, यहाँ पे इसको इक्वेट कर लिए. सो that is the answer for these questions. Okay, so first of all I'm going to give some questions regarding this topic so that you can practice more and more. आपको इसमें क्या करना है, आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है सारा क्वेश्चन को. तो इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चन हम डाल देते हैं यहाँ पे, कुछ क्वेश्चन डाल देते हैं यहाँ पे ताकि आपको ये समझ में आ जाए कि कैसे ये क्वेश्चन बनता है. जैसे कि आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 प्रैक्टिस करें इसी तरह करके. एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी आर द टू एक्यूट एंगल्स. Angle A and angle B are two acute angles. Angles such that यहाँ पे क्या है एंगल such that number 1 cos A equals to cos B. सो आपको प्रूव करना है क्या, प्रूव दैट, आपको प्रूव करना है एंगल ए इक्वल्स टू एंगल बी. ओके, नेक्स्ट साइन ए इक्वल्स टू साइन बी. साइन ए इक्वल्स टू साइन बी, अगेन यू विल हैव टू प्रूव एंगल ए इक्वल्स टू एंगल बी. एंड नेक्स्ट दैट इज द tan A इंटू tan B. अगेन यू विल हैव टू प्रूव हियर एंगल ए इक्वल्स टू एंगल बी. ओके, सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन यू नीड टू प्रूव हियर. सो आपको यहाँ पे प्रूव करना पड़ेगा इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को. आप इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को बनाएं इसको, ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग बताते हैं आपको ये. ओके, सो इस तरह करके आप क्वेश्चन को बनाएं सिमिलरिटी अप्लाई करके. सो नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व अनदर क्वेश्चंस. ओके, द क्वेश्चन इज दैट इज द yes, this is the questions in triangle OPQ. Right angle at question number 2. In triangle OPQ, right angle at P. Okay, right angle at P and OP equals to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ that is the 1 centimeter. Find sin Q and cos Q. Find sin Q and cos Q. Okay, sin Q and cos Q. This is the questions. Okay, so please try to find here in triangle OPQ right angle at P. Okay, so this is the questions. Okay, this is the right angle triangle and right angle at what Q. This is the Q and right angle at P. Okay, so this is the P and here is the OP. So we can write here what we can write here OP equals to 7 centimeter and here is OPQ. Okay, so this is the question. So first of all we can put the value of OP means here is the 7 centimeter and after that we can write here what OQ minus PQ. So OQ minus PQ, please check here, OQ minus PQ is to 1 centimeter. So first of all we can take PQ equals to x. Okay, we can take PQ equals to x. So solution we can write here what OQ. We have what OP equals to what 7 centimeter. This is the value and OQ minus OQ minus PQ, that is the 1 centimeter, and we can take PQ, let PQ equals to what? PQ equals to x, so OQ equals to 1 plus what? X. Okay, so this is the value, and we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So we can write here in right angle triangle, what? OPQ. So we can write here what? OQ square equals to OP square plus PQ square. OP square plus PQ square. This is due to Pythagoras theorem, and the value of OQ, you can see the value of OQ, that is the 1 plus x square. So we can write here 1 plus x square. The value of OP equals to 7 ka square, and the value of PQ, that is the x ka square. So we can simplify it. So we will get here, but suppose a plus b ka whole square, we can write here a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, and here is the 49 plus what? X square. So it will be the cancel, and we can write here what? 2x equals to 49 minus 1, that is the 48. So x equals to what? 48 by 2, so that is the 24. That is the value of x. So we can write here, or PQ equals to, we can write here PQ equals to x, that is the 24 centimeter. Okay, and after that OQ means, you can see 1 plus x means we can write to 1 plus 24, that is the 25 centimeter. We need to find here sin q. So sin q and cos q. Sin q, you can see sin q means OP by OQ. Okay, OP by what? OQ. So this is the sin OP. The value of OP is, you can see 7 by OQ, that is the 25. Okay, here, and the cos q, that is the cos q means we can write here what? Cos q means we can write here at the adjacent side, that is the PQ by OQ. So PQ is what? You can see PQ is 24 by 25. Okay, so this is the value. Okay students, so you should try to solve some questions regarding this topic. Okay, so next question, that is the question number 3, that is based on that topic. Okay, that is based on also that topic. Okay, so first of all, you try to find that questions. Okay, so question number 3, that is the in triangle PQR. Okay, in triangle, here is the PQR. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, okay, such that PQ equals to what? PQ equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, PQ equals to 5 centimeter, and PQ plus QR equals to what? 25 centimeter. Okay, this is the value, 25 centimeter. Find sin p, cos p, tan p. Here is the find sin p, cos p, and tan p. Find sin p, cos p, and tan p. This is the value you need to find here. So first of all, please try to solve. Draw the triangle first. Okay, this is the triangle. Okay, so first of all, you can see Q is the right angle, so here is the Q, and we can write here this is the P. Okay, and here is the R. Okay, so this is the right angle, and you can see the value of PQ, that is the 5 centimeter. Here is the 5 centimeter, and the PR plus QR equals to 25. So we can take here is the PQ, that is the X, so it will become 25 minus X. So now you can apply the formula of Pythagoras theorem. So you will get the desired result with desired value of X. So we can write here what we have PQ equals to what? PQ equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, so and PQ plus QR, that is the 25 centimeter. So you can see the value of QR, that is the X. So already be taken. So PQ plus X equals to 25. So PQ equals to what? 25 minus X. Okay, 25 minus X. Now after that, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle PQR, in right angle triangle PQR. So we can write here what? we can write here PR square equals to PQ square plus what QR का square. Okay, this is the due to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so PR is the value of PR is what you can see the value of PR, that means the PR means 25 minus x का square. So 25 minus x का square and the value of PQ you can see PQ, that is the weight, that is the PQ means PQ is 5 centimeter. Okay, so PQ is 5 centimeter and QR you can see QR is QR x, so this is the x. Okay, so please split it. So I think here is the a plus a minus b का whole square, so 625 plus what x square minus 2ab means 50x, and here is the 25 plus x square. Okay, so you can see here will be cancelled, so we can write here 50x equals to what 625 minus 25. So 50x equals to what 600. So x equals to what 600 by 50. So we can write here 0 means 12. The value of x is what 12 and the value of x is 12. So we can write here PQ equals to 25 minus x. So 25 minus what 12. So that is the what, that is the 13 centimeter. Okay, 25 minus 12 means 13 centimeter. The value of PQ is what 13 centimeter. And you can understand the value of PR, that is 25 minus 13, that is we can write here what PQ equals to what PQ, no, here is the value of PR, this is the value of PR. Okay, this is the value of PR means 25 minus 13, that is the 25 minus 12, that is the PR is 13 centimeter. And next QR equals to what 12 centimeter. This is the 12 centimeter. Okay, and we need to find here what sin p, cos p and tan p. So please try to find sin p. What is the value of sin p? Please tell. Sin p means what? Sin p, this is the p, so we can write here QR by PQ. QR by Q what PQ. So the value of QR is what x, means the value of QR is x, means we can say 12, yes 12 by 13. Okay, and the value of cos p means what PQ by PR. So PQ is what 5 by what 13, and the value of tan p, that is the what tan p means QR by PQ, So the value of QR is what you can see the value of QR is x, so x means 12, yes 12 by 5. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so students, you should practice all of the questions from NCERT exercise 8.1, that is for you. Okay, आपको क्या करें, एक्सरसाइज 8.1 का जो भी एग्जाम्पल बना दिया हुआ आप उसको सॉल्व करें. ओके, थैंक यू.